beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deborah here. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video, and if you're not new, thanks for coming again. This video is a detailed tutorial of this trending crisscross hairstyle that has been going on for months now. Definitely late on it, but I just felt I should still record myself getting the hair done for a detailed tutorial, because why not? Even though I'm late on it, you never know who still needs that detailed tutorial video out there. So yeah, I decided to film this video for you guys. So if you just want to watch how we achieve the hairstyle, keep watching. And if you actually came here to learn how to do the hairstyle, then you are in the right place. Keep watching. The things you're going to be needing for this hairstyle is rubber band, of course, and gel. You could use your own choice of gel, but my friend who is going to be getting my hair done loves using the Shine and Jam, this one in the yellow container. And the color of extension I used is the 2 inches X-pression, and this is a color 33. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Meet my friend and my favorite braider, Lovelyn. She starts by dividing the hair into 2, top and bottom. Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start. She begins with the bottom section. She's gonna be cutting the hair in boxes and doing knotless braids. I love braiding is she applies gel to each hair she cuts out, and also applies gel onto the extension as she braids it in. This way the hair is properly locked in, which makes the braid super neat. Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. As you can see, she's almost done with the back part. She just have a few more braids to go. Yeah, so she's going to be moving to the front section, which is where we have the crisscross, and this part of the hair is what makes the hair unique and different from every other hairstyle. For this section, we're going to have 6 rows in total. She's going to start by making a middle part.
If it's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage.
Just ignore the whitish stuff the gel is producing. That's due to continuous combing. So what she's gonna be doing for this crisscross part, still using gel, is she's gonna cut each of the 6 rows into 2 rows. Then cut out the hair in box shapes, rubber banding them individually.
You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. It's just this feeling and I'm letting go. Got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go.
After she's done rubber banding each of the hair individually, then it's time to start crossing them. She begins by rubber banding the hair on the front right hand side with the back hair on the left hand side. Then she does the opposite of what she did to the other one. So she takes the hair on the front left side and rubber band it to the hair on the back right side.
At the end of the day.
And she repeats the same thing over and over again until she's done with all 6 rows.
If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. The end of the day.
We've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. So this is the end result of the hair. So beautiful.